I got my peppers and onion and my meat going. I didn't season my meat yet because I like to fry my meat halfway and then let the seasons cook in. But yeah, I'll make y'all tacos how you make your tacos. I'm gonna make my tacos how I make my tacos, okay? But yeah, y'all see them peppers and onions? Make sure y'all fry them in oil first. You hear me? Okay. But yeah, it's all cooked up. One thing I can say, make sure y'all men eat. If you got a man and he doing right, make sure he you feeding that man. I mean, you be sliding some tacos and hamburger helper once a week, but not every damn day. Cook that man a meal. It's because today my work day, so I'm cooking quick and easy meals today. But tomorrow I am off. And I know my man probably wants some chicken and Alfredo, so I'm going to cook that with some garlic bread and corn. So that's all he really likes, pasta. I have to come up with other ideas for us to eat because we would eat pasta every day. But anywho, alright, I'll be back once I'm done cooking this.